Hi guys, welcome to this 2 lakh subscribers special YouTube video. Let me take this opportunity to thank you all for your support for my YouTube channel. Now we are 2 lakh subscribers family, that also within just 1.5 years. Without your love, support and affection for my YouTube channel, this milestone would not have been possible. So thank you very much for your support. So as a special gesture in this video, I am coming out with one of the unique strategy called day trading strategy for beginners. Why I am saying this is the day trading strategy for beginners? Because when I was beginner trader, when I wanted to take up full-time trading few years back, this was one of my favorite strategy which I personally used to follow. So that is what I am going to show you in this video about how you can take use of this simple strategy based on price action. One of the very simple but very powerful strategy. This strategy is purely based on support and resistance. You don't need any indicators or you don't need any data, just you need to know the support and resistance. Many people come and ask me, Vikram, can you tell me what works in trading? Is it indicator? Is it price action? Is it option chain? Is it open interest analysis? Is it market profile? Is it order flow? What works in trading? For them my answer is nothing works in trading all the time, because trading is a probability. Trading is not an exact science. So change your mindset, have a probability mindset. Trading is all about probabilities, but you need a technique which works most of the time. If not all the time, but at least you need something which works most of the time. For them my answer is one thing which works most of the time in trading: pure support and resistance. For the simple reason why support and resistance works in trading, because trading is all about buyers and sellers. Whenever buyers outnumber sellers, market likely to bounce. When sellers outnumber buyers, market likely to collapse. That is what support and resistance. If there is a support, that means there are more number of buyers than sellers, then chances of bouncing from that support is higher. If there is a resistance, that means there are high number of sellers compared to buyers, that means chances of reversal from that level is higher. So that is what simple support and resistance. And you all know this, what is the support resistance. So I am not going to bore you in this video about just explaining you about the support resistance. I am going to explain something more than that. That means in this video I am going to discuss about a technique called once support is broken, how it acts as a resistance. Once resistance broken, how it acts as a support. Where should be your entry, where should be your stop loss, where should be your take profit. For this strategy you need only 3 things. First thing is that you need to have the basic knowledge of support and resistance. You should know how to identify support and resistance on your chart. Second thing is that you need patience, because you need to wait for price to come to that level to take the trade, and you need discipline. So if you have these 3 qualities, then you can see the change in your trading after applying this method. Okay, so that is what I will be discussing in this video about how support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support once it is broken, and how you can trade in such setups. Okay, before starting with the strategy, let me just explain the support and resistance concept in a simple layman language so that you will understand actually what I am trying to say. So assume that this is your house. Okay, assume that this is your house. Okay, this is your house. This is the ground floor, first floor, basement. Okay, ground floor, first floor, basement level. Assume that you are standing here on the ground floor. Okay, this is you standing on the ground floor. Apology for my drawing, I am not good in drawing. So just assume that you are standing here in the ground floor, where you are standing on the floor, right? So floor is your support. What is this? Ceiling, right? If this is the first floor, then this is the ceiling, and that ceiling is your resistance. Correct? Now assume that you have a stairs on the ground floor where you can climb up and go to the first floor. So now from the ground floor you started climbing up, and now you are standing on the first floor. From the ground floor you are standing on the first floor now. Now this resistance will become your support, because earlier it was a ceiling, because you are standing below this. Now you are standing above it. So now this ceiling will become your floor, right? On the ground floor it was a ceiling, but on the first floor it is a floor. So that is what support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Now this is going to be your ceiling or a resistance, right? Now assume that from the ground floor you started climbing down and you came to the basement level. Now you came to the basement level. Now earlier it was a support. Now what is this? This is like your resistance. Why? Because earlier it was a flooring for you where you are standing above it. Now that same flooring is going to act as a ceiling because you are standing below this, and this will be your support, right? So here resistance becomes support once you are above it. Again here this resistance becomes support once you are standing above it. Same thing in trading. Okay, so that is what I just wanted to give you an understanding. For example, if this is the support, this is the resistance, then this is like a ceiling, this is a floor for you. Suppose next time when this ceiling gets broken, like how I said you came to the first floor, then this is no more a ceiling, this is no more a ceiling. What is this? This is going to act as a floor, right? Because once it is broken, that support becomes resistance. Same theory which I explained about you're standing in the ground floor and when you go to the first floor. Okay, so I hope you're clear with this simple concept of support and resistance. Once it broken, it reverses its position. Support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support once it is broken. Okay, to make it much clearer, I will show you on the live chart on 27th of January. I'll not go to old charts. I'll just only show you January charts, and you will see in the January month itself when it happened and how it worked. Okay, so I'll replay this candlestick so that you will understand it much better. So let me play the candlestick on 27th and I'll show you where was the support, where was the resistance. On 27th, market opened with a doji kind of candle, neither bullish or bearish. It kept going down and then took a small bounce. Now let us see what happened after that. So what it is showing you till here, when you are looking at the live market, it is showing you that this is your support, this is your support, this is your resistance, because this was the high from where market crashed and this is the low where market bounced. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So what we will do, we will draw a line there. Okay, we will draw a line so that it is easier to know the support and resistance. So I marked the support and resistance on my chart, and let us play the candlestick and see what happened. Whether support got broken or resistance got broken, you can see that it is coming down near the support. It did not go till the resistance. It reversed before even the touching the resistance, and now it is coming down, right? Now let us see whether this support is broken or it bounces. Support was not respected, support was broken, right? So what it is known as, this is known as breakout, right? So support was not respected, so it was broken. Now let us play the candlestick. So I'm not saying that you should short this candle. This is the pure breakout strategy, everyone knows that. So now I'll show you when to enter. Okay, now you know that this is the breakout line, right? This is the breakout line. So I said you should enter on the retest of breakout line. Okay, now you will just wait, don't do anything. Now this candle you have to enter, this candle you have to short, not this candle you have to short. Why? Because market went down, came here again, took the resistance, made a bearish pin bar. So this is the bearish sign, right? So that is what I said. This was the support Once it is broken, next time it acted as a resistance. So that is what in technical analysis is called support will become resistance once it is broken. Support is broken here, next time it is a resistance. Okay, you should not go long here. Don't go long here. Oh, because there is a pin bar, bullish pin bar. Now market will go up. It will not go up so easily because this level will act as a resistance. Right? That is what happened. What I said, entry here. You entered here. You should keep your stop loss above the breakout line and above that bearish pin bar. So this is your stop loss. This is your entry, right? And look at this, how big move you got that day. Your entry was this candle, your stop loss was somewhere here, and it is more than 1:2 risk reward. Even though had you taken your profit here at 1:2 risk reward, still it would have given you almost 1:4, not about 1:2, because market kept all the way, came all the way till here, right? So that is what I said, this strategy can give you very good risk reward. Okay, but you need to have that patience and discipline to enter only when price retest that breakout line and reverses entry on the candle confirmation. Now let us see a couple of more charts. Okay, again same setup happened on 21st of January, that is just a week back. Okay, already you have seen it happened on 27th, again it happened on 21st. Okay, now let us play the candlestick to understand where was the support and resistance on 21st. 21st market opened gap up with some bearish candle and it stayed sideways. Now where is the support and resistance? Can you identify? Just try to identify whether you can identify where is the support, where is the resistance. Yes, this is the resistance, this is the support, right? So I marked that on my chart. Let us wait whether breakout happens or it bounces from the support or resistance. Almost it came near the support and made a big bullish candle, right? So that level acted as a support. Now let us see what happens near the resistance. And breakout, right? So where breakout happened, this is the breakout. This is the breakout and it broken from resistance. So this is the breakout line, right? This is the breakout line. Okay, breakout happened, but we are not discussing about the breakout strategy in this video. We are discussing about once price retest that breakout line, we will enter, right? Now let us see. Yes, can you see back to back two candles here, pin bar? That means this will be your entry, right? This will be your entry. This will be your stop loss. Take profit either at the day's high or at 2 hour. So you have entered here. Let us see what happened, whether this trade works or stop loss hits. Your stop loss hit, right? This trade didn't work. Your stop loss hit and this trade failed. You have entered here in this candle. Your stop loss was here, but this candle took the stop loss and you have exited. So that is what I said. It doesn't work all the time. So it's not a holy grail that 100% of the time it works. Nothing works 100% of the time. Even it works 50% of the time, you can make money in trading because of the simple concept called risk reward. Now look at this. What happened? First time broken from here, you took the entry, your stop loss hit. You have taken the stop loss and you have exited the trade. Second time it came near the support. First time resistance, it broken, trade failed. Second time it broken the support. So what happened now? This becomes your breakout line. Okay, this is the second breakout line on 21st of January. If you short here, just to look at this, how big your stop loss will be. Your entry will be here, so big stop loss. In the terms of points, if you consider it 32,550, and this is around 32,660, 32,560, 32,650, 660, almost 100 points stop loss, very big stop loss, right? So what is the best place to enter? I said when price comes and test that breakout line and makes the bearish candle. Now you will short, okay? You will short now, and you will keep stop loss above that candle, above the breakout. Now let us see what happens. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is what trading is all about. Trading, nothing works 100% of the time. Just to follow minimum 1:2. The higher the risk reward, better it is. Okay, risk reward. Whenever your trade fails, you should lose only 1%. Whenever your trade works, minimum 2% or more. So here your trade failed, your stop loss hit, right? Your stop loss gone. You lost 1% of your capital. You made a loss. But in this trade, you are shorted here, kept your stop loss here, and look at this. Look at this. It is more than 1:5, not even 1:2, 1:3. It can be almost 1:5. But I'm not saying that you should focus for 1:5, because every time you will not get like that. At least you can focus on taking your profit here, which is 1:2. In this trade, you lost 1% of your capital. In this trade, you made 2% profit. Overall, how much you made on 21st of January? You made a profit of 1% on your capital. 21st, first trade hit stop loss, but second trade you made profit. Overall, 1% return on your capital in a single day. Now let us see a couple of more charts. Next, again it happened on 18th of January, 10 days back. Okay, 18th of January, I've seen this setup. Let us play the candlestick and let me show you where was the support and resistance. Market opened with a big bullish candle. Look at this. When you see this kind of big bullish candle, mean very strong support. Okay, this is the strong support now. Now let us just wait and see where is the resistance. Now this is the support and this is the resistance. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Let us see what happens. Support gets broken or get respected. Okay, support was respected, right? Support was respected here. You can see that support was respected with a bullish pin bar. Anyway, I told you that I'm not discussing about support and resistance theory that you should enter here. I'm not discussing about that strategy about entering at the support. I'm discussing about once support or resistance broken, you should re-enter. Now let us play the candlestick. Yes, it broken the support. So it took the support first time, second time it broken the support and market going down. You should wait for retest of which line? Breakout line, because this is your breakout line, right? So now you should wait for market to retest that. Now let us play the candlestick. Don't do anything. Don't fear about missing the opportunity. Okay, don't have that missing the opportunity that, oh, I should have entered here. Look at this, market already went here. I missed the opportunity. Don't worry, market will open tomorrow also. So don't worry, just show that patience and discipline that you already decided. You will only take the trade whenever market comes and retest that breakout line. It's almost 2 hours. You did not get the opportunity. You are feeling that you missed the opportunity. Now let us see what happens. Yes, now you will enter this candle. You will enter on this candle. Why you should enter this candle? Because before this candle there is no bearish candle, right? This is a bullish candle. You can't short here. You can't short bullish candle. I said candle confirmation is important. So this will be your entry. Okay, you have to wait for bearish candle. So this will be your entry candle. This will be your stop loss. And now let us see what happens, whether your stop loss hits or profit target. That's it. You made a profit and you are out. So your entry was here, your stop loss was here,
you will take profit either here or here, minimum 1:2, and you made a profit of how much? 2% on your capital. That's it. So that is what known as re-entering once market comes and retest that breakout line. You should have that patience to price to come to that breakout line. So that is what important. It happened at what time? 11:20 a.m. in the morning, right? On 18th of January, breakout happened. After that, your entry came at 2:20. How many hours? 3 hours you had to wait for your entry, right? So you have entered here and you made a profit. Now you know why 90% of the traders fail in stock market. Do you know why people fail in stock market? They say only 10% of people are successful in stock market, for the simple reason people lack patience. Like how we lack patience in real life, in trading also people don't have patience. What they do, you know, they think that, oh, I did not short, market already went, look at this red candle, let me short. They will short only to see the stop loss hitting. Instead of going down, market goes up. So that is what happens in trading. So that's why you should have that patience and discipline. Next, this setup happened on 15th of January. Market opened with a big doji and you have marked the support and resistance on your chart. Breakout happened from the support, market started going down, and now what you have to do, I told you, you should wait for price to come to this breakout line and you have to wait for the bearish candle for the confirmation, because this support was broken. Next time it will act as a resistance, right? Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. 9:30 or 9:25, still now time is 11:20-25, almost 2 hours over, and you missed the opportunity here, right? But you should wait, you should have that patience to only take the trade when price comes back near the breakout line, and that's it. Now you will short. Now you will short here because it touched the breakout line, made a bearish candle. You'll keep your stop loss here and you will wait for market to either hit your stop loss or your profit target. Let us see what happened. And done, right? You made a profit of 2R. Your entry was here, your stop loss was here, and you made profit here 2R, which is 1:2 risk reward. You again made a profit of 2% of your capital by just showing the patience and discipline, because you did not shorted here, you waited for price to retest the breakout line, right? So that is what this strategy is all about, guys, about re-entering on the retest of breakout line after candle confirmation. But remember, this is one of the simple strategy. Okay, this is simple one. In my webinar, I discuss advanced one, not the simple like this. I discuss 15 patterns and its strategies based on price action, pivot point, CPR. I discuss in my webinar. This is just as a special video for 2 lakh subscribers. I thought I'll make just a basic video to know the concept of support resistance and how you can take use of it.
So that's it, guys. You have seen how simple strategy can be. You don't need any indicators, nothing on your chart, pure and pure price action. You just need to know where is the support, where is the resistance, and you need to have that patience and discipline to wait for price to come to that level. I shown you only 4 charts in this video. In the month of January itself, I shown you. If you do more back testing, you can see more this kind of opportunities, and it is one of the simple strategy for beginners. I'm not saying that it works all the time. Sometime it can fail also. That time you should have stop loss. And you have seen that how good risk reward you can expect in this strategy. So that is what this video is all about, day trading strategy for beginners. This was one of the simple basic strategy, but in my webinar I discuss 15 different patterns with strategies. So that discussed in my day trading webinar, which I conduct normally on weekends. If you want to know more about my day trading webinar, you can go below this video in the description section. You can click that link and you can see what all I cover. If you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email and you can enroll for my upcoming webinar. If you are into full-time job, you think that day trading is not for you, you want to become a swing trader where you can continue with your job, same time you can do swing trading also. For them also I have a course called Advanced Swing Trading Strategies. That link also you can see below this video in the description section. So that's it guys. Thank you for your support for my YouTube channel. If you like this video, then hit that like button. Consider subscribing to my channel and wish you a great success in your trading career.